on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. So today is the day, all right, startup day. So it's gonna be the first startup. So the car's still on jack stands. We're getting closer and closer to that race. So hopefully I got a tune up loaded, and hopefully we're gonna get this started, see if it'll turn over. I actually broke my throttle cable before, so I got to get a new throttle cable too, and it's hard trying to find one because I don't remember exactly where I got this one from. So before we start, if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to the channel and like this video, and if you could, just share it. So again, the setup is, if you don't know already, and if you're new to the channel, the setup is that's the throttle cable that's not gonna work. This one is the broken one. All right, so the setup is it's a 5.3 that's been bored 20 over, so it is a 330 now. I got twin VS Racing 69 millimeters. I thought it was 66s until I measured them when they're 69 millimeters. I need to pay more attention to what I'm ordering. And turbo 400. At 373 gears, and the ECU that's in it is a Holley Terminator. So be on the lookout. I may be giving away my two-step and my smooth stage because my ECU, I do all of that. So I don't know, we'll see. Maybe I'll do it this summer, maybe. But all right, so let's see if we can get this thing started now and check for leaks, see what's going on. I know I've got some things I need to change, but I need to work fast because I am running out of time. That JJ's race is on the 23rd, and it is what, the 8th now? No, the 7th. So let's see what we can do here. Probably gonna need to get a battery charger and meet soon. Man, come on, girl. God dang it, I forgot to do that. Rushing. Ooh, my wife gonna be mad at me. I got transmission fluid all over the place. I knew ourselves. Yep, I forgot to hook my gauge back up for the transmission fluid, so I just spit transmission fluid all out. Oh man, I gotta clean all that up. Dang. Hold on. But it ran though. Okay, so I know I need to clean up the garage, but still working on this thing, trying to get it right. So I had two injectors that wasn't firing. It was clogged up, gummed up. Ironically from the O-ring grease. So we got that all fixed up. Here's a couple videos of us fixing it and testing it.
Value is
I flipped the valve all the way up and then flipped back.
Let's see what this does.
10.
We're almost dead nuts.
Yep.
That
Just
one
that
is
one
love.
here. Just a little bit.
On the test.
Which test? I know those two
Yeah.
were right at 90, depending on which one we did.
Yeah.
The last one we did, it was right at 90.
I think it was 10.
The last one I started low speed.
Yeah. That was a 10-minute test. I say we drill these out, put them in, and we could just run. We know these are performing well. We'll have something else to base that on over here too.
I'm just trying to catch up.
You said these two are the ones that we
Unstuck. Yeah. That, and then I have those two on video, and then we're really all four when you first brought them.
But the way I found out is it sounded a little weird, like it was just pushing air, like hollow, pushing air out the exhaust. So I just started pouring water on each one of the headers or the manifolds, the log there, and see which ones was evaporating water and which water was just sitting there or boiling and just disappearing. Yeah, so that one was hot, that one was cool, that one was hot, that one was cool. I poured water on this one and it would just sit there, right? So, and it wouldn't start evaporating until it got down here because it was the heat from this cylinder. So I think we got all that figured out now. So let's start her up and see how she sounds now. I still got some issues I got to figure out. Somehow I broke my throttle cable changing out the intake. So, and nobody has LS19802 throttle cables anymore. So I hate to spend $80 for a throttle cable, but I don't know, I get it figured out. In any case, and I got a pull. I mean, it might be fine, but as you can see, I'll probably need to slide this pulley forward just a little bit because the belt's riding on like 3/4 worth of it. It'll probably be fine. I don't think it'll jump. I had one like that before over on this side. I don't think it'll jump off, not with a groove pulley on each side of it. So the only way to find out is if you run it to see what happens, or I can just get my pulley puller and pull the pulley out just a hair so that the whole belt will ride on it. Yeah, so start her up, see how she sounds. Y'all want to make sure you check the leaks as well. so that's what's up. So I still got a lot more to do. Man, I really hope I can make that race and get it on time, at least on the dyno within the next week or so, and see what you do. I need to build some brackets. I ain't gonna do it now because I done ran it and it's got hot. I need to build a bracket to support the turbos because I don't want them, like, they're fine like that, but when it comes time for me to have to retort the heads and whatnot, I don't want to have to remove the turbos when I remove the manifolds. I want to build a bracket that keeps it in place. That way I can take my V-band loose. Something's all in the way. That way I can take the V-band loose and the turbos will still sit there and take the exhaust loose. But I'm good. I'm happy with it now. She sounds good, man. And, you know, I just got to go through all the checks. I don't know how I broke this dang thing. Figure out what I'm going to do with this. I might weld a little piece up here, just secure it right here. Or just buy a universal one. I got to figure something out with it. I don't know how I broke that damn thing. Forgive my language. But, yeah, so everything sounds good. I got to get that. I got to finish putting all the clamps on here and straighten that up. I just wanted to start it up real quick, see how she sounds. But cool. All right, guys. So, yes, we got the fuel injector issue fixed. I got to do something with that throttle body cable. I got to put the hood back on it and then cut the exhaust down to be flush with the hood because I'm not going to keep it sticking through the hood like that. Hopefully, I have a dyno video coming for y'all soon if we don't run into any more problems, but you guys know how car builds go. So we'll see. All right, so if you haven't already, please go ahead, comment, like, and subscribe. And check out the Big Cartel website. Everybody seems to love those trucker hats with the boosted life trucker hats. So check it out, see if you like one, and if you do, go ahead and get you one. All right, so we'll see you next time on Boosted.